The print on demand market is growing rapidly at a huge, rapid pace. Listen to some of these numbers. Global sales accounted for $10.21 billion in 2024, and it's expected to reach just under $103 billion by 2034. That is a CAGR, that's a combined annual growth rate of 26% between 2025 and 2034. But that's not all. North America is predicted to dominate the global market in revenue share of 36% in 2024. And here's the other thing, that was global. Now let's go back to the US. US print on demand market size was $2.53 billion last year. Is expected to reach just under $27 billion by the end of 2034, a CAGR of just under 27% growth. Now, you might be asking yourself, Nathan, why do I care? And more importantly, what's in it for me? Well, if you're a personal trainer, coach, or consultant, and you're currently not offering your clients merchandise that has your logo on it, and take it a step further, personalized merchandise, then you are leaving thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars on the table. It does a couple things. It kinds look good and feel good wearing your brand so they look good and feel good working out. It's growing your brand because now you have your clients wearing and repping your gear around your city, around your county, okay? And then the third thing is it makes extra money all at the same time. Like this. This is a t-shirt. This is our entrepreneurs t-shirt made for trainers, by me, with a American flag patch, and we got our entrepreneurs creed slogan on the back, okay? Check this out. Here's a tank top that I made, one of the most comfortable tank tops, has my slogan on the back. It is phenomenal. This is a dry fit workout shirt. Again, has my slogan on the back. Okay. Workout towels. Okay, with my brand on it, but it's even better. It's a beach towel. Why? Because this is cheaper to make than a workout towel, and it's a beach towel, so it's a lot more versatile. Water bottles with my brand on it. Okay. And let's take it a step further. Let's take it a step further, huh? How about we do this? Personalized hoodie, where your client can get their name printed on there. You can print whatever your name or your nickname on there, and you can even have your slogan on the back. Personalized merchandise that they can go in there and type in what they want and have it made directly for them. This is going to be absolutely huge. It's your opportunity to utilize credibility and your reputation to grow your brand, make extra money without training more hours at gym or clients online. But not only that, you don't have to work out any of the tech stuff. I will build you a $5,000 e-commerce store where you can host all of your own merchandise, be ready to sell in just 30 minutes for free, no upfront cost, no inventory required. I will hand it to you. And it also has 10 preloaded products in there that your clients are absolutely going to love, handpicked by me, and also templates and trainings worth thousands of dollars so you don't make the same mistakes that I made in building my store. You don't have to worry about the tech. All you have to do is click a couple buttons, fill in your personal information, and I will hand you the pre-built store customized for you in just 30 minutes for free. Print on demand is going to be absolutely massive. You don't really have to do hardly anything. I handle all the creativity. I do all the heavy lifting for you. I hand you some templates to kind of get you started, get your brain working, and I can even teach you step by step. I will teach you step by step exactly how to do everything of creating your own personalized merchandise and hosting it on your store. And all you have to do is share it with your clients, your friends, your family, and online. And it's your way to start making money without trading time for money when training clients. Click the button, go ahead and check it out. And look, if you have any questions, DM me and I will walk you step by step through the process. It's free. Okay, you don't have to pay for a course. I will hand everything to you for free and I will teach you step by step how to start making sales. I'll see you guys in there.